look at you and it's easy to see. You are that someone I've been trying to meet.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. In today's video, I'm going to be doing my hair. So yeah, I'll be braiding my hair using wool or yarn. So yeah, right now I'm just parting my hair to my desired look, or like to my desired parting. You make sure that you use a tail comb because the tail comb makes it easier. This is quite self-explanatory because I don't know how to explain that. But at the beginning, I'm just gonna do what you call it, yeah. So at first, I'm going to do the box braids, and then after that, that's when you can start twisting your hair because it's quite easier that way, and it gives like a bit more grip. You get more grip on the hair more than when you're doing. like a hair vlog because I'm exhausted right now, and I started doing my hair at 9 p.m. and right now it's 1 a.m. I think, and oh my god, I'm starting to regret my decision right now because right now I'm exhausted and I want to sleep. So yeah, I can't even speak. I just want to sleep, but this is what it looks like. Oh my god, I'm so happy. Okay, you guys, so a couple of hours later I'm finally finished doing my hair, and this is what it looks like. I can't lie, you guys, the lines are not as bad as I thought at the front. Oh my god. And okay, right now what you're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and trim the ends because yeah, they're still fluffy as you can see. And yeah, before we do that though, we're gonna put some hair cream, blue magic hair food. So I don't put too much on my hair, like I said. I don't like scented products. Okay, you guys, so right now I feel like some of the length is too short or too long, so I'm gonna use these colored rubber bands to fix it. Okay, I think that is everything really that you need to do to your hair. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, you guys. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe, and let me know what you think of this hairstyle in the comment section down below. Let me know if you're going to try it or not. Yeah, that's it really. Bye guys.